Hi, this is Will from Trenchless Pipelining, and we're at 6161 Pine Terrace in Plantation, Florida. And what you're looking at right to your would it be the top part of the video? There's the laundry and a bathroom, west bathroom line coming in, and we're gonna start pulling back, coming up the kitchen line. At a point you see there, the camera dips down. Alright. There's some material right there that's holding. Some more material as you see. Went through. There's a good sized groove in the bottom of this pipe. It might be a nice sized hole. We can't really tell because we didn't jet it or clean it. But it looks like we're out of the pipe down below. We had to run water consistently through here and jam the camera back and forth until we get through this line. We're able to see. The same thing with the other line. We had to do that to see. We took the first video, which shows a lot of detail of clogging and stuff. That after we got the water running through it and pushing the camera through it to move the debris out of the line, but yeah, it's pretty nasty down there. Again, this is William from Trenchless Pipelining, and we're at 6161 Pine Terrace in Plantation, Florida. That was the kitchen line.